It's an easy way to put your table count marble. Well, it's an easier way. I'm gonna show you how. First, clean the surface using this. Wipe it down. Make sure there's no debris or anything. Backsplash as well. Wipe it down with a cloth. Make sure it's nice and dry. Let me get this sheet. This is the sheet I'm using. Going like this. The secret now is going to be water. It's just pure water that's in this. You want to mist it on. I'm going to pre-measure how much you need. I'm going to get up to here. Cut this line. So hey guys, what I'm doing is just using the squeegee to squeeze out the water under it. I'm also using the backing paper as I go along. With this method with the water, it really helps. I did do this before without the water method and I found the bubbles. So I tried the water and there was no bubbles at all. I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just peeling out the back and I'm just, pushing along as I go. I'm using a squeegee as I go to remove the water and also using my hand. It was kind of difficult to record and do it at the same time because I was recording. However, I'm just taking out the back, using my hand as I go along. There's pretty much no bubbles. That's the problems I keep getting during the whole watching the other videos. But yeah, I'm using the squeegee. Got the water out and I was going along as I go along. So right here, I'm just using the squeegee to squeeze out all the water that's under it. See the sum, remove all the bubbles. Anybody's wondering, I got the squeegee from Dollar Tree. So I'm just using this and squeezing out all the bubbles and air that's stuck under this. Now what I'm doing with this blow dry, just come into the edges to heat it up so it locks into place so it won't come out. And here's the final product, guys. I won't lie, this looks pretty good. You can barely see the seams. You can barely see the seams with the joints because I did a great job in combining it. It looks clean. It definitely brightens up the room and the brown counter that was there before. Definitely recommend using the water method. It definitely helps with the installation of this vinyl countertop laminate. Bye guys.